Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: battery at least 50% and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Once done, try the Oppo account or Google account recovery option on the lock screen. These are faster and preserve data. If account recovery fails, prepare to use recovery mode for a factory reset. This erases data, so make sure you backed up anything critical beforehand. Now, power the phone off and get ready to enter recovery mode with the correct button combo. You press the correct button combo, typically power plus volume down or up, to boot into recovery mode. Timing matters, so hold until the recovery menu appears. Once there, use the volume keys to move and the power key to select. Go to wipe data/factory reset and confirm. This removes the pattern lock by clearing user data. After completion, choose Reboot System now. Make sure to wait for a full reboot. It can take several minutes, as the system rebuilds apps and caches. After reboot, sign in with the same Oppo or Google account you used before. This prevents factory reset protection problems and lets you restore backups. Once signed in, restore your data, reinstall apps, and set a new secure lock. Consider a PIN or fingerprint instead of a pattern for reliability. If activation or account verification blocks you, gather purchase proof and contact Oppo support or an authorized service center. They can help unlock or re-provision the device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.